Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. In last two videos, I had discussed the loops and the nested loops in Java. In this video, I am going to discuss some question based on loops in Java. So first, we know that Java provides us three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. And loops have three important elements. The first one is the initialization, second one is the test condition, and third one is the updation, that is increment or decrement. Now my first question, rewrite the program using while loop. We have to, this code is based on for loop, we have to write this loop using while loop. So int a, then b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0. Here three variable a, b, c, where b and c is initialized by 0. After that system.out.println, the numbers are. Then for loop is there. For a is equal to 1, semicolon, a is less than or equal to 10, and a plus plus. In for loop, initialization, the variable a is initialized by 1, then test condition is a is less than or equal to 10, and each time a is increased by 1. And within the body of the loop, it is written c is equal to b into b, then it prints the value of c, system.out.print c, and each time b is equal to b plus 1 is increase the value. The difference between for and while loop, that the initialization part in while loop is before the loop and the updation is inside the block of the loop. So the answer for this question is int a, p is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, then system.out.println, the numbers are. Now a is equal to 1, we have initialized a is equal to 1 before the loop, and within the loop we test the condition while a is less than or equal to 10. In the block of body of the loop, c is equal to b into b, and then we have to print system.out.print c, and the loop is based on a, and each time the loop is increased by a plus plus. So I have written a is equal to a plus plus, and the same way the b is equal to b plus 1. This is the part of the code is just same. So in this while loop, I have done the initialization before the loop, the test condition is within the while, and within the body of a statement we update the value of a plus plus. This is the answer of this question. Now question number 2, rewrite the program code snipped by using for loop. In this, the program is written with the help of while loop. We have to convert it to for loop. Here initialization I is equal to 100 is the first before the while loop. Then in while loop, test condition is while I is greater than 0, and within the body of the loop it print the value of I, and each time it increase the value I is equal to I minus 2. It means this is the updation statement. In for loop, all the threes in a single line. So the answer is for int I is equal to 100. This is the initialization, semicolon, I is greater than 0, test condition, and I minus equal to 2, means each time the I is reduced by 2, and within the body of loop it prints the value of system.out.println I, it prints the value of I. And this is the way we have convert the while loop to for loop. Now question number 3rd, give the output of the following code and mention how many times the loop will execute. Int I. At first we have declared the variable I. Now the for loop, for I is equal to 5, I is greater than or equal to 1, and I minus minus. Here we initialize the value with the 5, and test condition is the loop is revolved till the value of I is greater than 1, and each time the value of I is reduced by 1. Within the for loop there is a one if condition, I remainder to equal to 1, then continue, and after that it prints system.out.println, it prints the value of I within the body of the loop. Now here continue is there. In Java, two statements are there, that is break and continue. Both are called the jump statements in Java. When break statement encountered in the program, it skips the rest of the code and forcefully it terminates the loop block. But when continue statement encountered in the program, it also skips the rest code and it forces the next iteration of the loop. It forces the next iteration of the loop. It does not break the loop, it forces the next iteration of the loop. The continue is there, so continue also here forces the next iteration of loop. So we start with I is equal to 5. First time the value of I is equal to 5. 5 is greater than 1, condition is true, so it enter inside the body of the loop, and 5 if it check if 5 remainder 2 is equal to 1. Yes, when we divide 2, 5 divided by 2, its rest is 1, so condition is true, so it continue. Continue means it forcefully told the Java to repeat the loop again. So it does not print the value of I and repeat the. Now this time I reduced by 1. In second iteration I reduced by 1. Now I is equal to 4. The value of I is equal to 4. 4 is greater than 1. Condition is once again true. It comes inside the loop. 4 remainder 2 is equal to 1. No, the condition is false. Though continue is not execute and it prints the value of I. So it prints 4. Now again repeat the loop and it reduces the value of I is by 1. Now this time third time I is equal to 3. 3 remainder 2. If 3 is greater than 1, so it enter inside the loop. 3 remainder 2, once again it is 1. So it again continue. It forcefully continue the loop from this place. So it again not print the value of 3. Then next iteration, fourth iteration, the value of I is equal to 2. So it 2 is greater than 1. The condition, test condition is again true. So it comes inside the loop if 2 remainder 2 is equal to 1. No, this time the condition is false, it is 0. So continuous statement is not executed and it prints the value of 2. Now fifth time the value of I is equal to 1. The value of I is equal to 1. So 1 is greater than equal to, condition is true. So 1 remainder 2 is again condition is true. So it continue and it does not print the value of I. And after that the value of I is equal to 0. 0 is greater than 1? No. The condition is false, so loops over. So it prints 4 and 2 and the loop will be executed 5 times from 5 to 1. This is the answer of this question. Now, next question. Analyze the given program and answer the following question. For int m is equal to 5, m is less than equal to 20, this is the test condition, and each time m plus equal to 5, it increases the value of 5 and each time. Within this, the body of loop, if m remainder 3 is equal to 0, then it breaks the loop. Else, again within the else again one if is there, m remainder 5 is equal to 0, then it prints the value of m and then continue. The first question is write the output of the program segment, and second question is how many times code does the body of the loop gets executed. Now we start with the m is equal to 5. First time initially m is equal to 5. 5 is less than equal to 20. The condition is true. It comes inside the loop. It check the first condition. If m 5 remainder 3 is equal to 0, no. So it comes to the else part. The condition is not true, so it comes to else part. Within the else part, it again check if 5 remainder 5 equals to 0. Yes, this condition is true. So it prints the value of m. So it prints 5, and after that continue is there. So it forcefully continue the loop, and then next time the value of m is equal to 10. 10 is less than 20. Yes, then it come inside the body of the loop and it check 10 remainder 3 is equal to 0. No, condition is false. So break is not executed, it again comes to the else part. 10, if 10 remainder 5 is equal to 0, yes, this condition is true, then again it prints the value of 10, and then it continue, it forcefully continue the loop. Now third time m is equal to 15, because each time m is increases by 5. Now 15 is less than 20, yes, then it again enter inside the body of the loop, and it check the condition. If m remainder 3 is equal to 15, remainder 3 is equal to 0, yes, 15 is divided by the 3 and the remainder value is 0. Here the condition is satisfied for break. When break is encountered, it forcefully it terminates the loop. Here program is over. So it prints only 5 and 10, and only 3 times this program executed. This is the answer. So student, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.